Look at me. Look straight into my eyes. Are you retired, or are you sitting there, just a few short years or months away from checking out of the workforce for good? If that is you, I want you to listen to me right now, because we need to have a serious, unfiltered reality check about your money. When you enter retirement, your financial universe changes overnight. You switch from a life of accumulation, where a regular paycheck rolls in every single week or two, to a life of distribution. You are now living on a fixed income. Every single penny that goes out the door matters more than it ever did before. And because of that, you are feeling a very real, very deep fear. It's the fear of running out of money. It's the fear of waking up 10 years from now and realizing you can't afford your medication, your groceries, or your utility bills because a bunch of hidden expenses silently drained your nest egg. So what do? You start looking for help. You look for tools, apps, and managers to help you keep track of your cash flow. And that brings us to the question so many of you have been asking me lately. You see an app called the Credit Genie Money Manager and you wonder, is this the answer to my prayers? Can this app protect my retirement cash flow, or is it a trap that's going to bleed me dry? Let's strip away the fancy marketing and look at exactly what this app is. Credit Genie positions itself as a financial companion. It links to your bank account, tracks your spending, gives you overdraft alerts, and offers what they call a cash boost, an advance of up to $150 with no interest and no hard credit check. On the surface, that sounds like a beautiful thing, doesn't it? If you're a senior living on Social Security and your check doesn't arrive until the 3rd of the month, but your electric bill is due on the 28th, a little $150 boost to bridge the gap without triggering a $35 overdraft fee sounds like a financial lifesaver. It sounds like exactly what you need to feel secure. But I need you to wake up and look under the hood, because what you don't see can hurt you. First of all, let's talk about how this app actually works and what it costs you. To even maintain your bank account connection and find out if you are eligible for that little cash advance, Credit Genie charges a recurring fee. It can be a bi-weekly bank connection fee of $4.99 or a monthly subscription fee of up to nearly $7. Let's do the math together. A fee of $5 every 2 weeks is $10 a month. That is $120 a year just to keep the app connected to your account. And guess what? Paying that fee does not guarantee you will ever get approved for a single dime of that cash boost. The app uses an automated system to look at your banking history, and if it decides you don't qualify, you are still out that subscription money. Now, let's say you do qualify. You are short on cash. You need $80 to buy groceries to get you through the weekend, and you request an advance. If you want that money standard delivery, it takes 1 to 3 business days. But if you are in a pinch and need it immediately, they charge an instant transfer fee that can go as high as $12.99. Think about that. You are paying a monthly subscription fee, plus a $13 instant delivery fee, just to borrow $80 or $100 of your own future income for a couple of weeks. If you calculate the math on that, borrowing a small amount of money for 2 weeks while paying those kinds of fees, the effective annual percentage rate, the APR, skyrockets into the hundreds, sometimes even thousands of percent. That is not financial management. That is an expensive, predatory cycle of debt masquerading as a helpful genie. Furthermore, if you run into a glitch and thousands of users report that the app frequently freezes, fails to recognize when an advance has been paid back, or continues to charge subscription fees even after you think you've disconnected your account, good luck getting a human being on the phone. There is no phone number to call. There is no customer service agent waiting to clear up a mistake on your account. It is all handled through emails and support tickets. If you are a retiree who isn't entirely comfortable navigating complex digital tech support, you will find yourself trapped in a loop of automated frustration while your fixed income account keeps getting debited. So, what is the actionable takeaway here? What do you need to do right now? First, you need to realize that you do not need a paid app to manage your cash flow or avoid overdraft fees. Your bank or credit union already has tools built into your account for free. Pick up the phone, call your bank, and ask them to turn on online banking alerts. You can set it up so that you get a text message or an email the second your account balance drops below $100. That costs you $0 a year. Second, if you are constantly facing a cash flow crunch where your bills are due before your retirement income or Social Security check arrives, you do not turn to a cash advance app. You pick up the phone and call your utility companies, your insurance provider, and your credit card issuers. You tell them, I am on a fixed retirement income and my monthly funds arrive on this specific date. I need to move my bill due date to align with my income. Almost every major company will change your billing cycle for free if you simply ask. Third, if you truly need a tool to help you see where your money is going, do it the old-fashioned way or use a free, secure budgeting tool. Sit down with a piece of paper and write down your guaranteed income on one side and your fixed expenses on the other. You need to know down to the single penny what is coming in and what is going out. Do not let the fear of running out of money drive you into the arms of apps that profit off your temporary cash shortages. You must be the master of your own cash flow. Guard your retirement money with every single ounce of your being. Do not pay an app to tell you that you are broke, and do not pay an app ridiculous fees to borrow $100. You are smarter than that, you are better than that, and you have worked too hard for too many years to let a digital genie grant you a wish that ends up costing you your peace of mind. Stay strong, stay secure, and protect your money.